Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install and use Tampermonkey on Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to search Google Chrome Web Store. Just click the link, and then here you just need to write Tampermonkey, right? And add to Chrome. Add extension. It will pop up here. So just press an extension again and press the spin button. Then what you need to do here, you need to go to press the three dots, then press on manage extensions, manage extensions. Make sure on the top right, developer mode is enabled here. Then what you need to do here, go to details. And once you're on the details, make sure allow user scripts is enabled as well. And then you need to install script. So in my case, I will use GeoGuessr learnable meta script. So I just need to press this link here and then install script. And that's pretty much it. What you need to do here, your Tampermonkey is installed. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.